with David Evans, the Wrexham Smart Towns officer, today outside the library here in the city, and they've just had a digital screen being installed here. David, can you explain what the benefits are for the library since it's been installed, please?
Yeah, so the screen itself went up in August last year, and basically it was just to promote events and different gatherings in and around Wrexham. The library use it quite a bit. A bit of a success story. We had a poster just in the window. We put that same poster on the screen. 2 weeks later, the library rang me up and said, "Can you take our advert down?" And I said, "Well, why would you do that for?" She said, "We're at capacity. We haven't been at capacity for 7 years. We haven't got enough books to go around." So that kind of shows you that bright screen can gather people's attraction and make a difference.